Ever noticed that the more you chase, the faster they pull away? There's a secret to making them crave you, and it's all about detachment. The most irresistible women don't run after anyone. They attract effortlessly. Here's how you can do the same. Detachment isn't about playing games, pretending not to care, or ignoring messages to manipulate someone. It's about shifting focus inward and holding your own, no matter what happens. Many women believe that giving more will prove their worth, that if they love harder or show how much they care, the other person won't pull away. But when you cling too tightly, it doesn't inspire love. It suffocates it. A detached woman is different. She's magnetic, not because she doesn't care, but because she isn't seeking validation to feel whole. She moves with confidence, knowing her worth regardless of external circumstances. Detachment means you don't need constant reassurance. You don't overanalyze every text, and you don't chase after someone's attention. Instead, you recognize that you are enough as you are. Being detached also means setting standards. You don't accept inconsistency, breadcrumbs, or half-hearted effort. People must earn their place in your life. You stop overgiving to those who haven't proven they deserve it. Most importantly, you stop attaching your happiness to someone else's actions. A late text, a distant attitude, or a relationship ending does not define your worth. However, detachment doesn't mean being cold or emotionless. It means loving with an open hand rather than a clenched fist. You allow things to flow naturally, understanding that what's meant for you will stay and what isn't, you're willing to let go. Ironically, this mindset doesn't push love away. It invites better love. It attracts people who respect your boundaries and value your presence. Energy speaks louder than words. Before you even say a word, people feel it. If your energy is calm and self-assured, it pulls people in. But if your energy is anxious, needy, or desperate, it pushes them away. When you wait for a text with ease, it's easy to move on. But if you let that waiting consume you, if you spiral into doubt, or feel the urge to double text for validation, that energy shifts the dynamic. The moment your worth becomes dependent on someone's response, attraction fades. A confident woman who isn't seeking approval is magnetic. She isn't worried about when he texts back because she has a full life. She isn't overanalyzing every detail because she's secure in herself. And men can't resist this type of energy. It makes her stand out. People don't fall for words. They fall for how you make them feel. Confidence and self-respect change everything. Overanalyzing drains your energy and steals your peace. A delayed text, a short response, or a change in tone can send you into a spiral of self-doubt. But what if you just let things be? The right things in life don't need to be dissected. They flow naturally. When something is good for you, it doesn't create anxiety. It creates peace. The only thing you can control is yourself, your energy, your focus, and your happiness. Instead of analyzing someone's behavior, put that energy into your own growth and passions. Silence is one of the most powerful things you can master. Instead of reacting emotionally, over-explaining, or chasing, you choose restraint. When you don't react, people are left with their own actions. They start to wonder why you aren't chasing, and that absence speaks louder than words. You don't suppress emotions, but you recognize that not everything deserves your energy. Power isn't in reaction, it's in control. If you want to keep a man interested, remember that people value what they have to earn. When something is too easy, too available, or too predictable, it loses excitement. Being unavailable doesn't mean playing games, it means having a life so rich and fulfilling that you're not just waiting for his call. Men don't need drama, but they do need to feel like they are earning your attention. When you're always available, you remove that challenge and effort fades. The key is balance. Be present in a relationship without losing yourself in it. When you stop making yourself so available, you don't lose him. You make him want you more. He starts to appreciate your time and effort because he sees that it's not something to take for granted. Attraction thrives on anticipation, and when you focus on living your life, you create a space where he must step up and choose you. Negative emotions can consume you if you let them. Overthinking, replaying conversations, and worrying about someone's behavior drains your energy. But the cure isn't more analyzing. It's detachment. The most powerful thing you can do is trust. Trust that what's meant for you will be clear. Trust that people who care won't leave you confused, and trust that no matter what happens, you will be fine.